In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create data bars with Excel conditional formatting. This is a quick and useful way to make your numbers easier to understand at a glance. Data bars add visual bars inside each cell, so larger values show longer bars and smaller values show shorter ones. It's a simple feature, but it can make a spreadsheet much more readable, especially when you're comparing performance, totals, or any list of numeric values. To get started, open your Excel file and go to the worksheet that contains the data you want to format. Before applying anything, make sure you select only the values in your dataset. This part is important because you want Excel to apply the visual formatting to the numeric cells only, not to headers, labels, or other text. If you include headings by mistake, the result may not look as clean or useful. Once the correct cells are highlighted, go to the Home tab at the top of Excel. In the ribbon, find Conditional Formatting and click it. This menu gives you several ways to visually organize your data, and for this tutorial, the option you need is Data Bars. Hover over or select Data Bars, and Excel will show you a gallery of styles. You'll usually see two main types to choose from: Gradient Fill and Solid Fill. Gradient fill gives the bars a softer, smoother look, which can feel a little more subtle on the sheet. Solid fill creates a stronger, bolder bar, which can be helpful if you want the visual difference between values to stand out more clearly. Choose whichever style fits your spreadsheet best. As soon as you click a style, the bars will instantly appear inside the selected cells. You don't need to manually calculate anything or build a chart. Excel automatically uses the range of values you selected and displays each one as a proportional bar. That means you can immediately spot high values, low values, and overall patterns in your data without having to scan every number individually. This is especially helpful when you want a fast visual summary while still keeping the original numbers visible in the cells. It saves time and makes your worksheet easier to interpret for anyone viewing it. And that's it. That's how to create data bars with Excel conditional formatting. It only takes a few clicks, and it's a great way to turn a plain list of numbers into something much more visual and easy to read.